Okay, guys, so you've set up your account and got everything squared away as far as just getting your phone numbers, getting your account set up how it should be. Now you're actually ready to start using the platform. And so what you're going to need to do is upload your lead list. So I'm going to just walk you through how to do that step by step and how to do it the right way, because this is something, if you don't do it correctly, you'll run into a lot of problems and you'll get really confused. So we'll just take this test lead list. First thing, you have to download it as a CSV file. So once you do that, you're going to go down here to contacts and click import contacts right here on the right. You're going to grab this. So see it right there, CSV file. Um, Sometimes if you do this off the Mac pages, you'll run into some issues, but if you use Google Sheets, CSV file, you won't have an issue. So we click next. So then we have to map the field. So this is just pulling, if there isn't header, it's going to, like if you have first thing says name, then it'll say name here, and then it's going to pull the first little bit of information so you can make sure you map it correctly. So this is first name, last name, business name. So we'll scroll down here, company name, phone number, and email. So we've mapped all these. Click next. Okay, so always recommend making sure this is the date. And so if you're uploading a lot of data, like I'm uploading a list of 3,000 real quick as an example, I do very much highly recommend you adding a tag. Usually I just recommend doing the date. So we'll do this one 8/18/22. Um, this way you can sort your data, find it, um, whether you're pushing it to a text blast, you're going to cold call it, you're going to email, whatever you're going to do with it, you need to be able to find and sort the data because you upload thousands of leads into here. It's going to get harder to map and sort that data out. So I always recommend adding a tag with the date. So you can do this. You can automatically just go ahead and push it to a campaign if you want to. So if you have a cold call campaign or text blast setup, you can just push it to there. So we always usually leave it on add new and update existing record. So if you already have this person, that's just going to update with the most current information from your list. Yeah, so then you just click submit. So your file is being processed. If you want to view your import status, you go over here to your smart list. So it's processing, view details, see where it's at. So tell you, how many there is. Um, Ran into error, so this just meant it ran into some problem mapping the data. So you can re-upload these if you want. Usually most data sets have at least some area. I know this one was a pretty old data set that was missing a good amount of information too. So if you feel like that's unusually high, just reach out to support and they can take a look for you. But this is where you can see it. If you go under your smart list bulk actions, you can see the success of your import. So once you do that, you can start pushing it to your different campaigns, pulling it into your pipelines, all that kind of stuff. If I go here now, I can see all these different um, prospects, see the info, all that fun stuff. Start calling them and do that. So that's your first list. You should be good to go now.